بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Recite Quran. In this tutorial, you will learn line number 5th in lesson number 2. So follow me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ra Za Mim Kaf Alif. I will not read the next letters as they are compound letters, so I want to add one more page for the non-alphabetical orders alphabet. So follow me again. Ra Za Mim Kaf Alif. Good. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and your family. Assalamu alaikum.